all got busy lives. To look good takes time, but that's why I think it's so important to have a few pieces in your wardrobe that I call one-piece wonders. Items that would take you from your desk out for dinner, from a picnic, out to a party. A jumpsuit is one of those pieces. I love this jumpsuit from Warehouse. It's very easy to wear, it's non-crease, it's light, it's airy, it's got an all-over print which is going to flatter most body shapes. I'm going to show you how to transform it for every occasion in your life.